Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Ridwan. My matrix number B0819101003. Okay, I'm from Faculty FTKEE/BEEI and my class S1/1. Today I will present about case study that be given to me. Question 1. Okay, our topic today. I would like to present a case study for the electrical workshop 1, which is conducted by Sir Falihan and Madam Amalia Aida. This task is given randomly and I get question number 1 for my case study. So I will answer the question. Okay, for my case study, question 1, my answer will be given based on the Electricity Regulation 1994 by using the guidelines that been shown at the screen given. Okay, question 1. A registered electric wireman installed an electric wiring for 113 ampere circuits outbound socket with a 4.0 mm square cable with value MCB 60 ampere level of overcurrent protection in a shop house with one phase supply entry. Does the electric wiring make a mistake? If there is an error, please recommend a correct method and explain any relevant electrical regulation method. Okay, from the case study question 1, there is an error because the value of the MCB used is not suitable with the 13 ampere circuit outbound socket with a 4.0 mm square cable because it is radial circuit and the size of the cable for the outlet circuit does not match the MCB value used in the circuit types radial, and he is not follow rule states in Electrical Regulation 1994 under general requirement of installation. Okay, what is Electrical Regulation 1994? From the screen that been given, Regulation 11(1) of the Electricity Regulation 1994 requires all wiring, additional wiring, or rewiring to be carried out by the electric contractor or the electrical wiring unit must obtain the written approval of the license or supply authority. Okay, designing wiring works. When we design the works, the wiring contractor must plan and determine the work to be done so that the work is neat, orderly and safe to use to us. Wire and contractor should first make the visit first. Secondly, identify user load requirement. Thirdly, calculate the maximum load request. And lastly, submit plans, drawings and specifications. Okay, next slide. This is the example of wiring schematic circuit radial socket. As you can see, the first picture is about one socket and the second picture is about two sockets. But this is a schematic circuit radial socket. Okay. The maximum amount of outlet 30 ampere socket allowed on radial or ring terminals. Okay, based on Suruhanjaya Tenaga. Okay, for the commercial premise, namely kitchen or pantry area, maximum amount of outlet 13 ampere socket is as follows. When we use two 13 ampere outlets for radial circuit using a 2.5 size cable protected by 60 ampere or 20 ampere. And for the 13 ampere outlets for radial circuit using a 4.0 mm square and protected by MCB 32 ampere rating. And the 30 ampere outlets for radial circuit using a 2.5 mm size cable and must be protected by MCB 32 ampere. Okay, this is the MCB rating and cable size commonly used for some types of radius and controllers. Okay, based on the table below, this is type of circuit, this is ring and radius. Okay, for the ring circuits, the MCB must use 30 or 32 or use the 2.5 or 4.0 size cable, and the floor area maximum for 2.5 must be 100 and the 4.0 must be 50 area maximum. But for the radius circuit, MCB rating must 16 ampere or 20 ampere only, and the size of cable 2.5 only, and the maximum area floor 20. Okay, pay attention to this. This is important. Okay, next. Based on the case study, what should I do? Okay, firstly, we must know that the project site is under commercial premise. Install on the shop house. Okay, there are two methods from the case study that been given. Method 1, use a given socket cable size of 4 mm that been given, but change the MCB rating to 32 ampere for radius type circuit. Why I do that? Okay, to avoid the MCB to constantly cut off due to excessive current flow because the 4 mm size cable not suitable with 16 ampere MCB. Okay, then for the method 2, from the question that be given to me, use the MCB rating given 60 ampere, but change the socket cable size from 4.0 mm square to 2.5 for the radius type circuit. Why? To prevent the excessive amount of current flow, we cause the MCB to cut off because the size of cable being using not suitable for the circuit given. Okay, I hope I explained to you clearly about the regulation electrical installment related. Okay, then lastly for the conclusion. Based on the conclusion on the case study 1, question 1 that been given to me, cables and MCB are important medium in electrical installation. It serves as the connecting medium for supplying electricity to electrical equipment. Because the current voltage rating, instrumentation, and location conditions vary, cables are made in various types and sizes to suit these needs. Therefore, the user should be wise when making the selection, so that the choice made is correct and appropriate before the installation work. Thank you, that's all for me. Selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir dan batin.